Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have a Walmart beauty box to share with you. I believe this is the winter box. If you're not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, it's a quarterly box, so you get it winter, spring, summer, and fall, if I can remember my seasons. And they put in some beauty related items. It's $5, which they say is for the shipping, but the box is free. So it's kind of been hit and miss with this box, but I mean, it's justifiable in the sense that it's only $5 per quarter, so it's not like a box you're getting every month, and it's stuff you can find at Walmart. So I'm kind of late. Usually their boxes are a lot cuter than this. I mean, this is the Walmart symbol. They've had some stellar boxes before that are like the open top box. Like, you could reuse those to I put my face mask in those, my sheet mask. You could put pencils, makeup brushes. You could even decorate it this year for Valentine's Day, and your kids could put like their little Valentine's. I don't know. This is just kind of, and the feel of it's a lot cheaper. And instead of like the open top box, it's like a flip open box. So I was kind of like, Walmart, you kind of dropped the ball on the beauty box for this quarter. So there's that. It opens up. You get stuff on the inside. So let's see what's on the inside. And first off is something I have loved. I know I have mentioned it on my channel before. It's the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. You apply this once your skin, like say you're done showering, but your skin's still wet, you don't dry off, and you apply it. I kind of think it just sinks into the skin and makes it nice and moisturized. So I do like this stuff. I do think it's good. Another thing in the box is from Pantene. This is Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots ampules. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. So that's what it looks like here. And you just, after washing hair with shampoo and conditioner, dispense into hand, apply onto damp hair, massage from mid-length to ends, and then rinse. So this is a hair treatment. So these two things right here probably are worth the box itself, so the $5. So the value's there in the box. Another thing, a sheet mask. You all know I love my sheet mask, especially if you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is 606Jenny. I always have my stuff linked down below if you're ever interested in checking it out. And Sunday's my Sunday sheet mask selfie. I always love to do my face mask on Sunday because I don't do one every day. I try to do one once a week because it's too much for my skin. But having that one a week, I think, has really improved my skin. And this is the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask from So AE. So excited to try this. I think Penny, I know I mentioned Penny before, Penny Cockrell. If you're not subscribed to her, please check out her channel. I'll link her below. She usually will do videos with sheet mask on. And I think she's going to be doing a series of it because she started one now, and it's been pretty fun to watch. So, pretty pleased so far with that. Then we've got this Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean. This is a 5-in-1 cleanser. 5-in-1 cleanser, power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. That is a lot of claims, and I don't know if I would quite put that on here, but I'm going to try this. I might try it tonight. It's supposed to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleaning. And I like Olay products, but I don't know. This smooth skin as it cleans with soft fiber polishes, replenishes skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. So directions, wet cloth and massaging hands to activate a luxurious lather. Cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for final rinse. Dispose of cloth, do not flush. Okay, so I might try this. I might try this tonight if I can remember it. Then another sample of Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. This is made with rose water. I'm using one of their Garnier Skin Active, but it's the yellow one. I can't quite remember which one it is, but it's just like this. You can use it as a mask, moisturizer, or overnight mask, like a 10-minute mask, an overnight mask, or just a moisturizer. I haven't tried this one. I may end up tossing this in the giveaway. I might already have one of these in the giveaway. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. And now I have got this before, I'm pretty sure, in a Walmart beauty box, and it's the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrates for 24 hours, brightens and smooths, hyperallergenic. This stuff is amazing. I would definitely purchase this. I'm going through 2 different eye creams, so it'll be a while before I need to purchase one, but I would definitely purchase this because if you've got dry under eyes, this is magnifico. It's perfect. And then, of course, this is one thing I kind of don't like about the Walmart beauty box is they put a lot of, like, pamphlets, flyers, stuff that... I mean, this is like review, and you could win a $100 gift card. Has anybody ever won that? Let me know. Just about the Pantene, about the Garnier, about the Cetaphil. Like, I would rather have coupons. Like, you know, if I have a coupon, I'm more enticed to go shop in your store, Walmart. You know what I'm saying? And then last but not least, I would have much rather got another product. I'd much rather got 5 more little samples like this than this thing right here. This bag, Walmart, what are you thinking? Nobody wants to carry your little symbol around. Now, if they would have just not did this, but on the back left it look like little raindrops and put that on the front, okay. But there was just something about this when I saw it. I was like, Walmart, ugh, what are you thinking? And then I showed my sister, because I opened this up. I showed my sister, I showed my mom, I showed my husband, I showed a few other people, and they were like, I would never carry that. Now, of course, you can reuse it. You don't have to carry it out in public, but you can definitely reuse it. You can always use one of these bags. You can put your toiletry items in. You can travel with it and just leave it in your suitcase and don't let anybody see it. But I don't know. I thought this was kind of tacky. Anybody else? I don't know. I would have rather had more sample size. Like I said, even the little sample guys, like this. I would rather have 5 more of those in that stupid bag, but that's me. So excited about this. So it's definitely worth the $5, but Walmart, you need to go back to them old boxes with the lids that you open up. Not this what you have going on now. Maybe the budget after the holidays was a little slim, but for the spring beauty box, if my spring beauty box is like this again, I'm giving it up. That's just my final thoughts and opinions on it. Unless if there was like some stellar stuff in it, then I could justify getting it. But if not, that $5 can go towards something else. That's my take on it. So did anybody else get the Walmart beauty box? I know I've watched a few other videos and there were some different variations. Let me know what you got. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below. I love to read your comments. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd absolutely love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.